Hello, in front of me I have Samsung S25, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create the folders in the app drawer. Okay, so let's begin. First we need to open up our app drawer, so let's perform that kind of move. And as you can see, now we are in the app drawer. Now to create a folder right in here, simply we need to hold on one of the icons, and now simply we need to drag it and place it into the other icon. Now release your finger, and now as you can see, the folder has been created. And also above, if you click on in here, you can change the name of it. Simply hold on the folder name, and in here you can also set a custom name. You can also change the colors or add more apps by clicking on that plus button. Okay, that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.